Hi there, students. To kvetch, to complain, to moan. A kvetch, a moaner, somebody who's always moaning. Stop kvetching about your life and try and do something to improve it. Okay, so to kvetch, to complain about something, to complain in a bad-tempered way. So notice, to kvetch, intransitive, to kvetch about something. Yeah, this is informal. He's always kvetching about his job, but then he ought to just go and find a new one. Find something he likes. So to kvetch, to complain, to grumble. What are you kvetching about now? She's kvetching all the time. Yeah, you can either kvetch or actually go and do something about it. I won't kvetch about the fact that you've paid me, although it is a little bit later than you promised. Okay, so to kvetch. My teacher is always kvetching about my work. She always finds fault with it. There's always something wrong with it. It's never perfect. Okay, so to kvetch, to whine, to complain, to grumble. Yeah, it's got the idea of needlessly and incessantly. Yeah, a kvetcher or a kvetch. Yeah, I'm sick of all his kvetchy comments. So complain, gripe, whine, grouse, carp, moan, beef, grouch, whinge, bellyache, bleat, complain, niggle, bellyache, complain. Okay, so to grumble. There are lots and lots and lots of words for this kvetch. Now, this word kvetch, this is American. It's probably pretty informal. He's always kvetching about the price of things. Everything is too expensive. I wish he would stop kvetching. Yeah, his kvetching, it just drives me around the bend. It drives me up the wall. So, do you know somebody who is kvetching all the time? Yeah, he's kvetching against the system. It's like a niggling complaint, on and on. Yeah, this has got the idea of somebody who doesn't just complain a little bit. No, they're always complaining. They're always bellyaching. They're always moaning about things. Nothing is ever right. I think this is a bit of a killjoy recently. Really. Okay, so kvetch, to complain, a kvetch, a complaint, to complain persistently. Yeah. He's always kvetching about his position in life. Life is something to kvetch about, or at least for him. I don't like it when people kvetch. Let's see, if you've got a reasonable complaint, then say something about it, complain, and then shut up. But if you're always going on and on and on and on about it, this is the idea of to kvetch. Yeah, it's not just a quick complaint. It's somebody consistently about small things, about things that aren't really terribly important. Yeah, I'm sure you all know somebody who spends their life kvetching about, well, things that don't really deserve to be kvetched about. Formality. This is informal. I think I would give this a 4. This is American, but a Brit's going to understand this as well. You might even find them use it, but I think probably just more understand. So use informally. Semi-formal conversation, yes, but definitely not a semi-formal writing. So it's quite low formality. And then the origin, it actually comes from Yiddish, a Yiddish word. Kvetch, kvesin, is to, I think it's to crush, to flatten. Yeah, kvetsen, to squeeze, to pinch. It's like somebody's ping, ow, ow, ow. Yeah, it's always kvetching. From German, kvetchen. Okay, so to kvetch, to complain. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To kvetch.